Hello my people, I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Hope so now they fine. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. I greet you according to your time. Please do not forget to follow my page, Untouchable Mama backup page or Untouchable Mama. Follow me on YouTube, Unto Mama also. My people, laugh one kill my enemy. Laugh one just kill my enemy. This comedian Gbovo with his wife saga, not be small thing o. The worst part of it, I will play this video for now. Mona listen. It's like this their saga of a thing where they carry con according to Gbovo, the one way they make all they understand say now because of money, now they con the saga themselves. That means Gbovo na go saga na go tire. He said they want use comments take finish am, or say they want use comments. All he fans wey be say he love am, they want use comment take buy am. He say instead of them to they come they send a message or they advise am, he said they never do the needful. Hey, the needful now be this one. He say man bring money, man take solve the issue. According to him, for the video where he play, he talk say then they advise her and then they call her and they tell her say, as far as say your wife no one come on for us, which is normal. When I know say yesterday I even did do the video say if your wife no one come out, may you kukuma go. At least you get brother, you get sister, you still get mama, or you still get anybody. Go stay for their house first. You understand? I know say no easy to stay for person house, but if the money not there, you go see, they go understand. Nigeria not be like abroad. Abroad now you not go see person where go put you for house even for 24 hours. You not go see. Before you go see, you go because everybody get their own. So people they self even they squad with somebody. So you know if you go there, say me you want go squad again. But for Nigeria, you must see somewhere stay. You understand? It still be like when you they find money, they go abroad, you not go see who go borrow you. But for Nigeria, you go see who go borrow you, problem not there. If your sister not get, your brother go get, or your husband go see give you. For a year where we did for abroad, you not go see. So people where be say they call you Gbovo, then they tell you, they advise you, say may you come on for us. Not be bad thing they do. It's because you say one caller from UK, the other one caller from America, the other one caller from the National, then they tell us say may you come out. You say not tell us say may you come out, but when I not bring money come away, go say okay, take this one, may you go stay for hotel for sometimes. My brother, people they work for their money. Oh, you now on social media now you day. And now you they get your money. All the money where you they get, you want to tell us say you not get anyone where you reserve. I don't understand. Now by force, a person go call you, advice you go still give you money on top. No, not be by force. So if you they fight, if you see person where call you, he advise you. Now you say that person a nice person. Some people they go they enjoy the fight. They go say man after break on head. This if una break on head finish, you go enter us. It not concern them. So if you they fight, if you see person where call you, he advise you. Take am, but not the cost say maybe una not bring money come because not be everybody get the money like that too. This abroad where we there, so many people then they do three work now that they do for a day. You go come out for morning, you go enter afternoon. When you come out for afternoon, you go enter night or you not they sleep. If you go look and during the day, the time where it takes sleep, you not even reach 4 hours. You go they find money they go. They not they sleep on this side. So if you see person where advise you, tell and say thank you, God bless you, God bless you. Because you know can't tell us now say you not get the money because me still they talk and say na prank una they do una just they do and they do content because me I never see where mark come dey for your head. You understand? I never see say blood don't come up for one corner. We never see that one. So now prank now una still they do. Me go still they call them prank because you go call the whole family. We go come see them say they sit down. Now then I me upon the thing. So okay, this one not be prank so not be prank again because the one way be say una come sit down for na parlor. Now see waiting that they call this our brother this Mike brother Mike see they there because see that one see they do video now instant they there with some people all that way they there because we never see your parents or your family the family of the girl come sit down they talk say this issue may we set one even though say they not like camera may you put and say may we for no say not be prank or something because now two of una now they do this something like that or maybe you just do and you they think say people pity you send money can't give because according to this your video where you talk you quit talk that thing because if you go look your comments people they tell you say may you wait so now because of money now you they do all these things may we listen to comedian Gbovo wetin he talk, because the thing I just dey look and say more na just dey fight. If una don fight finish, say una go rest. Who get the money wey wan give una? No be so na dey sick, no be so na break leg, una no break hand because of say una dey fight. Make dem come pay you for your hotel. So you wan come tell us say now you no get friend wey go fit put you for inside house for 3 days, then you comot for there go stay for your brother house 2 days. Even the video wey be say comedian Gbovo fit do, shebi na im brother na im dey there. That one no fit put you for inside one, even though say in the room not there, you stay for parlor. You enjoy, may you feel just say okay, may you just enjoy before your wife go come down. Okay, you dey want make your fans make them bring money come. They know they pluck money for you. May we listen to the video wey play.
They want use advice scheming for problem when money fit solve.
Shall I understand?
Sometimes
they want use advice say by because of the problem money go fit solve. So if una dey advise her, make una dey send money. How una look person self? How una dey look people? Una dey look people like say they be ATM machine. People they work for their money. Oh. We were there for this abroad. We they work for our money. As you they do this your video now, you they work for it. Now some people were there here. Even here, now even worse pass. Before you go see person where go dash you €5. You go look how many hours you use until work before I go give you. Where with the list?
Before you start to the advice person, think. Say waiting cause problem for this. Oh, waiting make them they fight. Now money matter or waiting. No be say you just open mouth. Wow, begin to advise me. This one.
Meaning na money matter na cause quarrel for una. Na if na money matter, my brother, wetin you go supposed to do? If the social media e no come reach you, wetin you go do? You go find job. Na be the thing. Or send your wife make go work. Two of una go come dey work for abroad for here. Only one person no dey work. Now the with the wife join her, now they work. If you see the one where be say wife not they work, you know say the man how many hours they do a day. Not be small thing because they go pay house rent, pay water, pay light, pay everything. If you can't get car insurance, come buy fuel put, come pay many things. Wait before you say you want it, before you say you want even buy clothes for year. Where would they listen?
This one go call comedian Gbovo and one of your biggest fan calling from UK. Comedian Gbovo and one of your loyal fan calling from Spain. Comedian Gbovo and calling from Italy. Comedian Gbovo and calling from Germany. Comedian Gbovo and calling from Japan. Comedian Gbovo and calling from Australia. Comedian Gbovo and calling from Dubai. Comedian Gbovo
because
and
they like you, then they call you.
Abuja. Now they call for different countries. They give me advice. But none of una don't give me money. Una hand na like this be cocoa.
Hey.
1 naira no fit fall from her.
Shey una here. So una dey call am from different place. As una dey call am, una dey send money join am. Na wash o. Sometimes not be money be everything. So advice dey wey money no fit buy. E go give you, you go sit down, you go really enjoy that advice. You go use am take do something and e go work for you. Hey, money matter.
But you dey call my boss, they give me advice.
And because of that, they like
the
you.
one wey confess me pass. Now one guy who just come 15 minutes ago, say now from UK. He called the advice me, say now when we say me and my wife get misunderstanding. Say me I just come off for house, go lodge for 7 days.
Now the truth he tell you.
That is the best idea.
Now the truth he tell you.
No be money that they lodge for hotel.
Because you not get the money.
If I lodge for the hotel, no be food I go chop.
Hey.
If I reach the hotel, I'll come tell them say, now one guy, they advise me that the UK. See me, I come relax for 7 days for the hotel. Now they'll come say, oh, from UK, oh, please just enjoy yourself for free. Even in free time, there is nothing free.
Who abroad? Nothing free.
Man is an angry.
For abroad, nothing free. Nothing free for abroad. People they suffer. People they work for their money. So no expect say maybe because of say you with your wife they quarrel, they will come send you money. You not be mad, you not they work, you not work. Then they work for their money. They not the plug am for you. If person give you advice, take and say thank you very much, God bless you. If the person use the mind to send you money, that one another different thing. But can't they ask? Get as it be. If na something they do you now, say maybe something you now understand, say you need that urgent, that one a different case. This one na because two of una get kata. If na money problem, tell your wife may look for something, make she they do. Then you go see they do another thing, join your social media. You understand? You fuck up for my brother. I must tell you, fans wey call person, advise and say this issue, we not like and maybe like this. They love you, now make them call you, make they advise you. They tell you may you come up for house. Now wait till they happen for this side. Where be say husband and wife then get kata. The man go try to leave the house for the woman before the brain of that woman go come down, before he go come back again. Now the something we're supposed to do that one not they follow yourself for social media.
Sometimes find deep into people's family. Waiting they cause quarrel. Before you begin to say, after now they give out advice. First find out waiting they cause quarrel. Why will not they fight? Now money matter. How much be the money?
Hey, money issue and they fight.
You they call yourself my diehard fan. That you have been following me for long. I do marriage. Una give me one that all of Funa when don't call me so far. I they talk about. All of Funa when don't call me, when don't say me.
Gbovo, not be by force to do marriage. Not be by force to say people must send you money or to send you gift. If they come from the heart. It go come from your heart. If it not come from your heart, person not will give you. If it come from your heart, say, this person they do marriage. I need to send her something. Now that one I be love. Not be the one where you can't use man take ask. When you use man take ask finish, which I don't understand though. You go come, they not say you do marriage. If they not send, can't give you, meaning they not feel like to send you. You know? If you still be say that moment, they not even get, you not there with them. Because they say, baby. You know? It not mean say maybe the person there abroad, maybe money they, money just they rush up and down. No. So people there, before month go end, their money don't finish where they work. They must wait till the other month because they will pay house rent. House rent for a year, not be like Nigeria. Oh. If you not pay, you go here when water go come, you go pay the water. Light go come, you go pay them. Before you come, they pay the rest in. If your children they go school, maybe you get what they want pay for school, you come they pay them. Maybe then they go sport, you must pay. Everything I pay for abroad though, not be free. You not be like Nigeria.
Send me message. Una they advise me. No, Funa, don't feel toxic, Mr. Blue. Now we be saying the first challenges for your home. Take $100.
Hey.
Take $50.
Hey.
Take $20.
Oh God, if those people they face challenge for their home, you they send them money. If not because of money, una they fight, that be so una go fight tire. Una go fight tire because nobody send una. You know where you for carry the woman. You feel carry and go back. If you not hungry, you again. If na prank, una they prank, more na continue na prank. So not can use your panic for people body where be say then they call you, they advise you. They'll tell you say because they'll say may you not go wound down, may you not go enter one chance. Now may they tell you. Otherwise, what you concern them. Now so look like this. Now we go they look, sit down, look, now be dog. We go sit down, we go they look. So now money problem, now make una they fool on ourselves. Hey, yeah.
$20. Take $1. No be say I be beg you money. I just dey educate you. To let you know say you and the
okay, this one not be say you the educator, you the beg. You now you can't they beg. Because for you to even bring and come out, you think say some people there they go they fight. Nobody go tell them say don't do make they forget or go give them advice. They go dead there. You wait see where advise you now. You say they not put money join them. Voila, they say not they finish. It be like bicycle where not get break.
advise me. Now make guessings pass you. May one never. I guess I know they make mad. I guess things pass you. When they
my people, he said in way they tell you so now you get sense pan. So meaning now if anybody want advise somebody, he must put money join them. Otherwise the advice not go. Otherwise the person where they want advice not go collect her. Because you need to advise me, then you put money join her. Hey wait. This one not be so much yo my people. Make I leave this video like this, may not too long, too much. Wanna go watch and finish for your platform for that. Oga, this one where you just do so, and you just for your hand. I believe say most of your fans, they not go like this video where you do so, unless you come and tell them, say, make them sorry. Because person wey advise you, love you. Person wey come out, he call, use the money to call you, come advise you, he love you. If you not love you, go they pass you for them. Go say what you concern now. After us, you not be family, you not be anything. Now for road, they foresee you. So you want make them advise you, make them still put money on top. Hey, way now, wow, more na suffer yo, my people. You don't come tell the fans, so now the message we send go give the fans. Now be this one. So more na stay on a lay, more na not the advisor, more na leave and make they do what they do. He say na money matter, now they cost quarter so it be like say the money not the rich. Oga Gbovo, wetin I go advise you, go and look for other thing to do. You if not rich, tell your wife may go work. Be like say your pikin don't still grow small. If you dey keep am for day school, or you go dey give am to mama or somebody, then she go still dey work. Because nobody, she no fit sit down for inside house. Make people wey dey abroad come dey send una money. It's not done. Because una wey dey Nigeria, una not dey send something they go come give people for abroad though. I do not know say Africa food for here they dear. How many times when I don't send, can't give people when see there for this I say I don't want me I give you. It just come out from my mind. It's not there, but when they want make people where they abroad, make they almost they call they give una like say now waiting. I don't understand though. Ogamona they fight with the watch. Sit down, look, now be done. Bye bye for now, my people. Please leave your comments, like this video, and share this video. One love keep us together. They say they want fight. Sit down, look, we go they watch. Anyanya.